My name is Jean Paul Mazotis, and the reason why I chose um, to go to Drone Command Live was uh, a while back. I remember seeing, I think it was in 16, uh, that there was a Drone Command Live event in Miami. Um, and I was like, wow, that'd be cool. You can get trained to make money by flying drones around. I was like, wow, that's a cool job. But I wasn't in any position at that time where financially I could afford to buy any of these expensive drones. At least I didn't know about drones or how much. I knew that they were expensive. So, well, but I was always fascinated about it. I've been in photography and I've been getting into video editing and all that stuff. So, um, that would play perfect into it. Now, fast forward to now, actually, back in 2017, I got injured on the job and I got 13 herniated discs, a severed ACL in my left knee, and a torn ligament here in my right shoulder, which I had settled out of the court. I settled from workman's comp last year, exactly 1 year from today. And I've been trying to put my ideas together, what type of business I want to start. And the one thing was, I was like, I'm already a photographer. I already got my camera equipment. I'm getting into video editing and everything. I've already bought all my Mac Studio and the equipment to do the video editing and different camera equipment. So the next thing I do is I need to buy a drone so I can get into drone photography. I got a buddy of mine, he's a realtor, and he told me right away, hey, go get your 360 camera as well, and I'll hire you and tell all of my agents to go through you. So I'm excited about this opportunity because I've been trying to figure out this whole time I've been sitting injured for the last 6 years. I've been scared about how I'm going to get to work. What am I going to do for work? Because my injury, I would not be uh, good for a regular 40-hour a week job for an employer because I wouldn't be able to sit one place at one time for 40 hours. I got to take breaks to relax because I got this injury. So I said, I got to create my own job. And so that's exactly what this is here is I can create my own job, provide a service to people, and all these different things that I'm seeing as I'm being taught. I'm like so excited because this is stuff I've always wanted to know. So I'm just grateful. I'm a salesman at heart. I've been in marketing and sales for years. So now it's taking all those skills that I've gained over the years, applying it with the skills that you're giving me now, and I can create this business and be successful. So this definitely gives me a, it encourages me that there is light at the end of the tunnel. Besides leaning on my faith in God, but now here is a clear plan for me. So I thank you guys very much. God bless. Hello. So for me, today I'm excited about the different things like what's next. And so far, um, the going into the explanation of and more into the marketing sides and the different information you got right now, it's very exciting for me because I've never um, done anything like this before, and I've been so interested in this. So my brain is like, feed me more. And I'm grateful that you guys gave this opportunity to do the VIP ticket stuff so they can be able to have access to the videos at all times. Because for me, um, that's very important. I have attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, so um, videos are the most important thing for me so I can go back and replay what I was taught. So it really helps me out tremendously. Now, other thing too, I've been noticing like because you guys started talking about the different job opportunities that are out there. Now that's exciting because I never even knew. I mean, I can't believe I didn't think that hey, you have a drone, you can check the lines, maybe be hired by FPL or something like that to go through all their lines and check them out to make sure there's no trees and stuff like that. That's amazing. There's so many different opportunities, so I'm very excited. Um, I really am glad that I chose to go through you guys because what you're teaching me is going to change my life because I want to do this so bad and I want to learn this. I want to create my own business. I want to be able to provide a service that makes people happy and solve problems for them. So there's just so many, like I go to car shows and stuff like that. I put my car in car shows. So there's opportunity for that too, to um, you know, do work for people in car shows. They want their cars in their own pages and stuff like that for social media. So I'm really happy about this and excited. So thank you very much, and God bless everybody. Day 3. Wow. Um, I've been able to gather so much information. It's like, whoa! But then I realized that I'm going to be having you guys for the lifetime of my business. So that's good. I'm glad that I was able to see all the different pricing options, um, uh, the different ways that you could angle your shots while you're shooting for either a realtor or for the other different types of photography or videography that you're going to get, depending on what your goal is to and what you want to offer to what clients you want to go after. Really. So you also have been providing me a lot of information with, and I like the testimonials that you guys put up as well. Those are very nice. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for taking the time to put this together. I'm really excited. Maybe may not seem like I'm really excited, but I am. I just can't wait to get my drone and get to work. God bless you guys. Looking forward to making lots of money.